I'd like to quickly show you how to add an out of the office message on Outlook. This is quite simple, and most of you probably already know this, but maybe there's one person who doesn't know, so this video is for you. Okay, so once you open Outlook, you're gonna click on File, and then this one is gonna show up. You're gonna see automatic replies out of office. That's what you want. Click on it, and here you're gonna go send automatic replies. Right, from here you want to only send during this time range, and here you select the time range that you want this to be effective on. I'm going to put 23rd from 5 o'clock until January the 3rd at 11 o'clock. Right, so here you have messages that are going for inside my organization, so that's someone like me to message you, or someone like Chris message you. These will be specific, and these are for people outside the organization, so like our clients. So that's what you want to put on. I'm going to put on bold just because, and as you can see, I had already typed in a message, which is just the end of the year message. And if you press OK, just double check the date, see if that's correct, and everything looks good. Once you press OK, so any messages they will be getting to your inbox now, the person who sends you will be automatically getting your auto reply message. So that's it, guys. I'll see you soon.